Alrighty, hello, good day, and welcome. My name is Mr. JB, and today we're doing a tutorial through Bambu Labs, Bambu Studio, and I'm going to show you how to iron surfaces. Now, if you've seen my thumbnail, you know what the result ultimately is. And when we're in this menu, when we start off, we've got our object in whatever. I find this works best on flat sections, but it can work on other sections. It just sometimes takes a little bit more time. It will normally add a bit to your print time, but we go into our quality section over here on the left. Make sure that you're in global. And we're just going to scroll down until we see ironing and topmost surface, top surface layers, all solid layers. So that just means all solid layers is going to be all the walls around this object. Top surface layers is just going to be here. Topmost surface layer is going to be anything that'll just raise above that. In case you've got like raised letters or raised symbols and stuff like that, it'll do those. But it won't do the bottom tier like it is here. It would just do this upper ledge. Now, with that, that's all. When you click that, let's say I do all solid layers, I'm going to slice this plate. It's going to take its time, and then it's going to tell me that it's going to take 6 hours. But if I did that in terms of my ironing and I did no ironing, I'm 1 hour. So it adds a significant chunk of time to your object, but it will make it more smooth, it will make it more refined, and it will make it look ultimately better as a final project. Just depending on what you want, just know that it's going to take you a bunch more time. Now with that, that's all. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.